Welcome to my kitchen, guys. This is my oven, and I thought I'd show you what a typical fridge day, or what my fridge typically looks like, which is what the okay, why do I have oil in my fridge? So what do we have? We have white cranberry, half and half, garlic, some butter, eggs, a jar of mustard, leftover pasta, won't eat, pickles, some marinated Korean barbecue. Will make an effort to eat, but may not eat. Some pre-chopped garlic, ginger, green onions. What else here? That's it. Trusty coffee mate. My green soda. My Jones green soda that is half drank. My blue soda. Some other random stuff. I think I need to throw those things away. That thing.